My video guide is about getting rid of fake Windows support alerts that quote this fake Windows support number +1 224 725 4948. This is a deceptive pop-up, and it's a fake Windows Defender Security Center alert. If you see these pop-ups, please be very careful, don't interact with them. There are certain online hackers who actually stand behind these pop-ups. They try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. Or these hackers may try to connect to your computer remotely, and then they may demand from you to pay money supposedly to get your device fixed. Don't trust these pop-ups and don't call this fake Windows support number. I recommend you to just leave this page, and I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.